There have been a lot of improvements in the eggs this week, sir. Yesterday we picked 55, so fully the way it is going, before Monday we may hit 60. Before Monday, if they continue following it up the way we follow it up this week, at least during the weekend. But there's been a lot of improvements compared to before. Just this weekend, they can still follow it up this way. Yesterday we got 55. So today we may even get to 57 or 58, hopefully. Well, I believe before Monday we get up to 60.